Hi YouTube, it's Yashi and welcome today to a brand new series called The Housing Hack. In this series I'm gonna walk you through how I would invest my own money in this housing bubble across the various markets in the United States without having no actual knowledge about the various cities we will look at. In today's episode we're gonna look at Jacksonville, Florida. So let's get right through it. Go change, look like a villain right now, but that's okay. But before we start, if you're interested in real estate, crypto, alternative investing, fashion, and much more, I kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button so we can get this video to as many young investors as possible. So let's jump right to it. As you can see here, I went on Jacksonville, I put highest price to lowest price, and as you can see, this area here is very expensive, and we have a little strip of expensive houses here on this side of the city. Let me get closer. Now, if I switch it from low to high, on the other hand, you will see that we have the cheapest houses concentrated here. Now remember that down here, we had still the expensive homes. So what I'm looking for is some kind of buffer zone where there's a transition between the expensive homes and the cheapest homes. Now, if we get closer here, you can see that there is a zone with a few homes right here in the middle. Here you can see homes that go from 200 to 900k. Up here you see homes that go around actually under 200k to even sub 100k. So we're gonna now change search terms and put the maximum price at 100k. We wanna really go low for it, as this channel is mostly for young people, so younger people might have less money available. Again, we're looking at the buffer zone, which was around here, and it kind of makes sense. If you go above the buffer zone, you will see homes for 70k, 90k, 95k. Of course, there's little areas that might be worse than others. I don't know exactly. If we look in the buffer zone, you will find homes under 100k, but on the higher end. So I'm gonna go now for the cheapest one, which is this one here. Let's look at this house. For 70k, you will get a single family house. It doesn't look the best, but if you look inside, carpet is pretty new. So they have done something to it. Maybe they have it rent already. I don't know. Let's go in the notes here. It says it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, has a new carpet, must provide proof of funds, asking 69 cash. It is being rented already. So this property has already a renter that is paying $750 a month, which is already really good news. Why? Because it follows already the 1% rule that I used to talk a lot on TikTok. What is the 1% rule? Basically, 1 month of rent should equal at least or even be more than 1% of the value of the property. 1% of the value of the property would be $699. So we're above that. It meets this rule, and I'm already very happy. So now to the third question. How much money can this property make to me if I use a loan? So supposedly we go the standard option of 20% down. In this case is $13,980. We calculated taxes at $59 a month, home insurance $24 a month. That area I checked does not need flood insurance, so we get to a total of $316, which includes taxes and insurance. Meaning that if you use 14k as a down payment, you will get net, let's say, cash flow after your, let's say, monthly cash out of around $450, which is really good. Now you cash from cash return, so your return on the money you're investing actively is close to 30%. Now there's a last factor that we need also to take in consideration. The listing says that the place has a large lot that can enable you to expand. What I know is Florida, Northern Florida, Jacksonville in general, I checked, is pretty chill when it comes to building laws and everything. So in the future, where let's say there might be growth in that area and people start putting in money, you could potentially expand or even maybe tear down and build a multifamily property, which could be even more interesting. I hope this gave you a general idea on how I look at properties. I hope this gave you a general idea about Jacksonville. If you are from Jacksonville, let me know if I'm correct. Thank you for watching. Ciao.